Welcome guys, it's your coach Mr. Casty Graphics. Alright, this is our day one for smartphone creativity, and now we are going to be looking at how to make the business card. So I'll just open the business card now. This is the interface of the business card. You can see a lot of features: create, download, etc. Click on download, then just wait for it for a second to load. You can see pro, all these are paid designs. Just choose anyone that is not paid. I go with this. So this is how it looks like. So from here you can just start editing. Look at here, they wrote backside at the top right corner. You can touch it so that to see how the backside is going to look like. There's the front side. So we have anything you want to change here, you can just tap and begin to edit. I'm going to see how it looks like. I want to make this big. You can just tap anything to edit. Yes, you can tap anything to edit. These are different features. When you are done, you can just tap empty space. This is background. How do you want the background to look like? If you click here, you're going to see we have different background colors. We have text, icons. If you want to add different social media icons, look at them here. Let's begin to add. I want to add shapes and lots more. So let me change this to Casty Graphics. I just double tap so that I can begin to type. Sorry, for you to do that, you have to touch the edit text, and begin to type whatever you want to use as your business name. Casty Graphics. When you are done, you can just stop and just say apply. So you can change your phone number here. Just say edit text, change phone number. Yeah, you can just apply. So you can just go ahead and explore. We have font styles and lots more. You can just go ahead and begin to explore. Just explore. We have templates, upload. Then when you are done, you can now save. Look at save here. Just tap to save. I'm now saving. Thank you for watching.